Verifying your Robinhood account is an important step to ensure security and compliance with regulations. Follow these steps to complete the verification process. Step 1. Download the Robinhood app. Begin by downloading the Robinhood app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Once installed, open the app and create an account by providing your email address and creating a password. Step 2. Provide personal information. After creating your account, you will need to enter personal information such as your full name, address, date of birth, and social security number. This information is necessary for identity verification and compliance with financial regulations. Step 3. Upload identification. Next, you will be prompted to upload a form of identification. This can include a driver's license, state ID, or passport. Make sure the document is clear and legible, as this will help expedite the verification process. Step 4. Verify your phone number. Robinhood will ask you to verify your phone number. You will receive a text message with a verification code. Enter this code into the app to confirm that you have access to the phone number provided. Step 5. Wait for approval. After submitting all required information and documents, wait for Robinhood to review your application. This process can take a few minutes to a few days. You will receive a notification once your account is verified. Once your account is verified, you can start trading and managing your investments on Robinhood.